Hi, everybody. I'm so excited to unbox our new Secret Garden Bliss box with you today. This collection was created as a little reminder to slow down, dig in, and enjoy some simple rituals that nourish both your skin and your spirit. Inspired by a trip to a greenhouse with my mom last year, this box is going to bring joy to anybody who opens it, and it's perfect for Mother's Day. When you open the box, the first thing you're going to notice is the beautiful garden-inspired feel. It's fresh, soft, feminine, and perfect for this season. And as every box does, we included a Bliss box card that explains everything about the box, the theme, and of course, what's inside and how you can enjoy them best. Well, inside, you're going to find 3 exclusive products and 2 gifts, all for just $44 with free shipping. So, are you ready to see what's inside? Well, first up is a brand new product. It's our Radiance Renewal Facial Balm. This rich, nourishing balm helps reveal a fresh, dewy glow while supporting the skin's moisture barrier. It feels like a little moment of radiance in the jar, just like healthy soil. And by the way, I'm sitting in my backyard today to present this. Just like healthy soil holds onto water to keep plants thriving, a facial balm helps your skin hold onto moisture so it stays balanced, nourishing, and glowing. And right now, tallow balms are having such a moment, but we wanted to create a plant-based vegan version that delivers the same rich, deeply nourishing experience you're going to love. This balm melts beautifully onto skin, helping support your moisture barrier and leave your complexion looking fresh, soft, and dewy. I personally love using this at night, but I've also used it in the day and I love it. It's powered by antioxidant rich astaxanthin, and resveratrol. And we've also included a thoughtful essential oil blend featuring helichrysum and frankincense, 2 botanical essential oils known for helping skin feel calm, balanced, and beautifully cared for. And you might be wondering, what gives it that gorgeous orange glow? Of course, that's the antioxidant astaxanthin. We love that ingredient. So beautiful. Well, it's one of those products that just feels like a ritual from the moment you slow down and really nourish your skin. So after you cleanse and tone your skin and maybe even applying a serum, wait a few minutes after application to then apply the balm as your final step before bed. If you're really feeling extra dry, like I said, you can use it as your day moisturizer too, and apply either your tinted moisturizer or SPF afterwards. I love this product. So I'm going to show you the texture and just how beautiful this is. Like all of our balms, it glides onto skin beautifully. And what I love to do is melt it between my fingertips before application. And then I start around my cheeks. It's wonderful on your neck. And it's also amazing on your forehead. Just be careful and conscientious, not too close to eyes, since there are 2 essential oils in it. The combination of frankincense and helichrysum smells so earthly and beautiful. I know you are going to fall in love with this Radiance Renewal Facial Balm. Well, just like I said earlier, like healthy soil holds on to water to keep plants thriving, this facial balm will hold on to that moisture, help your skin stay balanced, nourished, and glowing. You're going to love this, and what a treat. And for those of you thinking, I don't know that I'm going to need a facial balm because of my skin type, be sure to use it on your hands. Be sure to use it all over your skin, and you can use it from the neck down as well. It's a beautiful all-purpose balm for that as well. Well, next, we have another product, and some of you I noticed guessed really closely. We have a Jasmine Dew, That's what the name of the scent is, hand scrub. This is perfect for hardworking hands. It gently buffs away dryness with sugar crystals and apricot kernel oil, leaving your hands feeling silky, smooth, and pampered. Just like our body polishes, this hand scrub can be used to exfoliate hands at the sink, then rinse off and pat dry. And of course, we have this beautiful safety seal, so it arrives to your home in perfect condition. And just look at this gorgeous texture. Like I said, just like our polishes, that sugar scrub is perfect for hands, and it's wonderful using at the kitchen sink. Your hands are going to feel like new every single time you use it. And if you're out in the garden, you're out in the wind and the elements this summer, that hand scrub is going to be the perfect ticket for glowing hands and skin. Well, we also have a matching product, and that is our Jasmine Dew hand cream. And I'm going to describe the scent in just a moment. Oh, it smells so good. It's deeply hydrating. It melts right onto skin with a beautiful touch of aloe, a hint of jasmine, and springtime flowers. Now, for anybody who has tried our Daydreamer scent in the past, you may pick up on a few similar notes, but this one is intentionally so lightly scented, so unbelievably subtle that it would be appealing to anybody who uses it. It's the finishing step after using the hand scrub as a routine. These three beautiful products are going to be so popular with everybody that opens this box. And because this theme is all about the garden, we included two exclusive gifts. First, you're going to receive a pair of these adorable canvas gardening gloves with a charming garden inspired print to protect your hands while you plant, prune, or simply just enjoy time outside or doing chores. I love these. And finally, the wildflower seed packet. This is so cute. This is an opportunity to plant a little joy and bring more beauty to your outdoor space. It says on the back, a garden within ready to grow. Give your wildflowers a little head start this spring by planting them in a few little pots. I collect quite a few in my garage. Brian can attest to this. Collect those and plant them indoors. And then in early June, go ahead and transplant them outside. I can't wait to see what wildflowers pop up in your gardens this summer. This entire collection is such a sweet way to care for your skin, your hands, and your heart. Our secret Garden Bliss box is only $44 with free shipping, and like all of our Bliss boxes, it's available while supplies last. You're going to want to gift one to someone who loves a garden and enjoy a little everyday beauty inspired by nature. Thank you for being here today, and happy early Mother's Day to all the moms watching.